This is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I will show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first you will need to launch settings, then enter the network and internet category, onwards open the Wi-Fi page, then connect to whatever network you would like to reveal the password of, tap on it, then at the network details page go for the share option, and the following share Wi-Fi section shows or reveals the Wi-Fi password and provides you with a very convenient QR code that you can further scan with any other Android device or practically any other device in general and get it automatically connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.